Kicking off today's video with footage of one of my favorite boxers of all time, the Puerto Rican boxer Miguel Cotto. And here in this footage, he is seen performing the can-can jump, which is the subject of today's video. So in this video, I will be performing the can-can jump. And if you're interested in learning how to perform this move, which is common among boxers such as Miguel Cotto, Gennady Golovkin, who fights next weekend in a trilogy fight against Canelo Alvarez. It's also a very popular move with Bernard Hopkins, Manny Pacquiao, among many other boxers, Muhammad Ali. I have a link down below to a tutorial video on this move. In today's video, I'm going to be performing the can-can jump a little bit differently in the sense that I'm going to be doing it using a DIY heavy rope, a DIY heavy jump rope. And this is something I've talked about in a previous video. In today's video, instead of just jumping with one jump rope, I will be using two jump ropes. So just before I continue, I want to mention my jump rope story, which is available on Amazon. It's a really uplifting story. I'd love it if you check it out. It really helps to support this channel. Okay, thank you everyone. Now, back to today's video. Here, I am performing the can-can jump. And as I just said a minute ago, I am using two jump ropes at the same time. So, earlier in the video, in the footage, you saw me grab another PVC jump rope that I had with me on this location. And I simply jump rope with the two ropes together at the same time. When you first start spinning the ropes might have a tendency to separate, but just spin them, jump over the ropes, two ropes at the same time, for about 5-10 seconds, and the two ropes should wrap around each other nicely. And they really make a nice DIY heavy rope. So if you have two jump ropes, you can even try this with 3 or 4 jump ropes. I've done double unders with as many as 4 jump ropes in my hands at the same time. It makes a terrific heavy rope. You'll definitely notice the added weight when you have two ropes jumping rope together. And here I'm doing the can-can jump. This is how I finished off my jump rope session. I set my timer for 3 minutes and I did can-can jumps for the entire duration. It's just a fantastic move for shaking out the legs and giving one leg a momentary rest while the other leg performs the action. Alright, thanks for watching everyone.